Hello and welcome back to my Caliente Kitchen, my half a plant family. Well, today I am making my air fryer marinated Peruvian style veggies and steak. It is not only delicious, but it's easy to make and your entire family is gonna love it. First, let's talk about the star vegetables that we're gonna be using today. Have you ever tried sweet baby bell peppers? Let me tell you, these little beauties are not just sweet and crunchy, but also loaded with vitamin A and C, which are great for boosting your immune system. We're also using red onion. They are a lovely tangy flavor and rich in antioxidants, particularly quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. And last but not least, Brussels sprouts. These mini looking cabbages are high in fiber, vitamin K, C, and antioxidants. They help support your overall health and digestion. For the steak, I'm using sirloin steak, which is a lean cut of meat. And it's a great addition to add in high quality protein to a balanced dish. Alright my friends, so these kebabs are made with vibrant veggies and sirloin steak. The marinade is actually from my famous and delicious traditional Peruvian dish, lomo saltado. That recipe is on my blog, and this recipe is on my blog, Villacorta.com. Also, the link is on the post. Check it out. So now, let's get cooking. Now, let's prepare our veggies. Make sure you wash all your vegetables thoroughly. And yes, even if they are organic. Sweet bell peppers. Cut them in half so you have large chunks. Red onion. Peel the onion and cut it in thick wedges, ensuring they're sturdy enough to stay in the skewers. And Brussels sprouts, trim the end and slice them in half. Next, let's make our flavorful marinade. We're using the same spices that I use for my lomo saltado. In a large bowl, combine the ingredients and mix well. Now, cut your lean sirloin steak into bite-sized pieces about 1 inch around. Add the steak pieces and the vegetables into a storage bag and pour in the marinade. Make sure you mixed all the ingredients well. Let them marinate for at least 30 minutes, but if you have more time, you can marinate them for longer to enhance the flavors. Because the steak will take longer to cook, we are going to give it a hair start in the air fryer. Then preheat your air fryer at 400 degrees. Cook the steak pieces for 8 minutes, then remove them from the air fryer. Preheat your air fryer again to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the veggie in the air fryer basket and cook for about 5 minutes. Then it's time to assemble our kebabs. Thread cooked steak and vegetables onto the skewers. Alternate between the different types of veggies and pieces of steak. And voila! There you have it. Delicious, colorful, and healthy air fryer veggie and steak kebabs. You can enjoy these skewers on their own or pair them with a whole grain like farro, quinoa, or even sweet potatoes, anything you want. I love them no matter what. This is definitely a healthy alternative to your traditional barbecue. And the best thing is that it's indoors and you can enjoy it all year round. And now, my friends, the best part, the taste. Let's see. Oh my God. These are fabulous, tasty, delicious, and perfecto. I highly encourage you to try this recipe. You are going to impress everyone. Now, if you like what you're seeing, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next nutrition topics and recipes. As always, thank you for watching, and remember, always have many plants every day, this season and beyond. Now, goodbye until next time, my friends.